Welcome to Cedar Hill Country Market. Today I'm going to be working on putting together a kitchen cabinet. And I bought this off of Amazon. It's made in the USA, not made in China. And I'm going to go through the instructions, but we're going to time lapse it. And I'll leave a link of where to purchase this cabinet if you like it. The only thing I may not do is put the countertop on top of it because I'm using this cabinet to create a craft table. But we'll give you the end result and show you what it looks like. So let's get building. Okay, here's our final cabinet that my husband actually ended up putting together.
I know how much you hate puzzles, so.
Yeah. Anyway, there is the kitchen cabinet from Amazon, and we're going to talk about the good, the bad, and the ugly. It's a little utilitarian cabinet. I'll put a link to the place I bought it on Amazon, and it'll have all the measurements to the cabinet. But since my husband's a woodworker, I'll let him describe The pluses and minuses and the ugliest part. But it's going to be used as a utilitarian cabinet underneath a craft table. So I'm not using it for my kitchen, but I wouldn't even put my KitchenAid blender on top of that thing. Doesn't appear to hold a lot of weight. So you wouldn't want to use that as an island or anything like that.
Well, you can.
I can see you putting pressure on it.
It's wobbly.
It's unstable. Yeah.
The way you connect it together, there are pegs and twist screw type tighteners. This is like compressed wood. Not even compressed wood, it's composite type stuff. I mean, the top isn't bad, but you know, the hinges are okay. And this piece in the center gives it more stability. If this wasn't in here, it would really wobble pretty bad. If you've ever put something like this together, IKEA's real good for it. They use I can show the back.
MDF, right?
Yeah, it's kind of like MDF, but what they do is they use these kind of screws, these pieces here, where you loosen it and it comes out and there's pins in it.
There's a lot of wiggle room for this screw.
And after you've had it for a while, those always come loose and they never stay tight. It's the same as the drawers.
Wait, let it focus. Alright.
Right here. And they use dowels to hold it stable. Screws on the back side. So, I mean, it'll work. We're going to be trying to mount this with legs on the bottom to another section for a cutting table.
And that would be the end section.
This is the end section that would go on it.
And the cubes would be on this side. And we'll show that in another video.
And I don't know that you can even connect it very well. We'll see how it goes.
Maybe with some side pieces of wood. I don't know.
You may not even have to connect it.
Right.
It can just sit there, and the tabletop that you put on it
where it won't fall to the floor with me.
Yeah. Which is what you currently
from IKEA
have, where the legs tend to slip. So, alright, I guess we'll take this out there.
Yep. So we'll show a completed version of my craft table on an upcoming video. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget, find somebody to bless.